Millions of subscribers, hundreds of millions of views, from a handful of videos each. No face, not once. 4 channels, same result every time. 1 person, 4 tools. That's the whole operation. In this video, the entire build start to finish. Every screen, every tool, every step. Recorded live, nothing skipped. Open Claude. Fresh chat, the state prompt pasted in. You'll find it in my Discord. We let it think. First thing it asks, which channel do we want to clone? 3 channels for this build. Captain Workout, Bro Pump, Yellow Dude. Same move for each one. Open the channel, sort by most viewed, screenshot the top videos. Send all of it to Claude, with one line explaining what this new channel actually is. Fitness, a 2D character walking people through positions, form, tips. Claude sends back 3 things: name options, 2 description directions, a logo prompt. I went with Gym Goblin. We reply, next. On to transcripts. 2 to 3 full transcripts, hook to conclusion. Already pulled into one clean PDF, also on Discord. Download it, drop it back into Claude. It reads the transcripts. That's where the script idea comes from. Then it asks, do you already have a video idea, or should it generate some? I said yes, give me, let it generate. 10 ideas came back. I picked number 2. The 3 muscles that make you look big in clothes. Nobody trains them. Neck, forearms, upper chest. Reply with a number. It understands. Idea locked, and now the real system shows up. Full breakdown. Niche, target audience, hook style, script flow, pacing, tone, transitions. This is the part that actually matters. Retention techniques. How to talk to the audience directly. Even word per second pacing. It estimated the script at 1,853 to 2,048 words. That's a 10-minute video. Too long for what I wanted. So I told it, 390 words. You set your own number based on your runtime. Script comes back at 391, fully written, fully scripted for retention. Open a Word doc. Video idea as the title, script underneath. Everything staged, ready to paste into ElevenLabs whenever. Then straight into ElevenLabs. Pick a voice, paste the script in, generate. 1 playback pass, and the audio's locked, back in Claude. Next, state 7. Not thumbnails here. It wants visuals from inside the videos. Character poses, positions. Back to YouTube. Most viewed videos. Screenshot the frames. Send them to Claude. It asks for 3 to 5. Send 15 to 20 instead. The more reference you give it, the better the output, and the faster it understands what you're actually building. I sent 20. Claude built a full visual style profile off them, the look I'd copy to build my own character. For the character itself, Google Flow. Unlimited nano banana access. That's the whole reason. 4 generations came back. 3 had problems. 1 didn't. State 8. Scene creation. 5 prompts at a time, straight from Claude into Flow. Every pose, every scene the script needs. Built. I skipped animation on this one, didn't need it. But if you want it, say yes when Claude asks. It hands you a video prompt, and any image to video tool takes it from there. State 10. Thumbnails. Same move. YouTube, most popular videos, screenshot a few thumbnails, send them to Claude so it has a reference point. Back to Flow with Claude's prompts. You'll want several variants. 1 prompt almost never gives you the final thumbnail. The right one doesn't come out on the first try. Expect several passes. This is the single most important piece for a video actually getting clicked. Out of almost 20 generated, 2 actually landed. This one especially, split composition. 1 side trained, 1 side not. The untrained side reads sad. That's not decoration, that's the message. Green tags what's trained, red tags what's missing. Open CapCut. Import the clips, the images. New visual every 3 seconds. Import the ElevenLabs audio, drop it under everything. Captions on, straight from the transcript. Export. That's it. Done. That's the entire build. Character, script, voice, visuals, assembly. One niche, done from scratch, with tools that are free or close to it. This is the fitness version. The process underneath works in any niche you clone. If you want the complete system, not just this one build, but how to pick a niche, model any channel's approach without copying a single word of it, and actually scale past video 1, that's the black syllabus. Links in the first comment.